Project Artichoke, The Mind Labyrinth. Declassified narrative. Written 1973, unsealed 2025. They told Agent Clara Wynne she was working for the good of the country, that her assignment in the psychological research branch was just another study in behavioral resilience. But the moment she stepped into room 12B of the blue-lit lab at Fort Detrick, she felt it. This wasn't about understanding minds. It was about owning them. Origins of the experiment. Launched in the early 1950s under the Office of Scientific Intelligence, Project Artichoke began as a covert exploration into interrogation enhancement. But beneath its clinical language, the truth unraveled. Could a human mind be reshaped, redirected, or erased entirely? With Cold War paranoia rising and reports of enemy mind control surfacing, Artichoke became the government's silent race to unlock psychic influence. Test subjects included military volunteers, detainees, and alleged defectors. Tools ranged from hypnosis to biological agents, truth serums to sensory deprivation. Objectives included implanting false memories, trigger phrases, and creating individuals who could operate under deep subconscious directives. Clara wasn't just studying the methods. She was part of the field team deploying them. The Forgotten Files. In one of Artichoke's most infamous sub-projects, agents attempted to create a state where a subject would commit acts without conscious awareness, then forget them entirely. They succeeded, once. The subject, known only as Patient L, responded to a code word planted months before. He acted precisely on schedule and then wept, unable to recall a thing. They tried to reverse it, they couldn't. His mind fractured like a mirror, functional on the outside but forever divided within. That file was sealed under the code name Lotus Protocol. The Dark Bloom. As Clara dug deeper, she began noticing things. Colleagues who suddenly transferred and were never seen again. Subjects who had graduated from testing only to appear in other darker programs. A small symbol stamped into the corner of every classified dossier. An open artichoke flower with a human eye at its center. One night, Clara followed a technician into a room she wasn't cleared to enter. What she saw ended her official career. There were children, calm, silent, focused. They weren't playing. They were being trained to resist truth itself. But Clara knew it didn't die. It just went deeper underground where it was harder to track. She fled the program with a single journal, her handwritten record of the experiments, the faces, and the unanswered questions. One page simply read, "How deep does the root go before the mind breaks open?" Present day, the file reappears. In 2025, an anonymous upload appeared on a closed military server titled Artichoke Archive Redvine. It contained voice logs, chemical protocols, and transcripts of hypnosis sessions that matched Clara's journal. No one claimed ownership, no government agency responded, but some of the files contained fresh dates, recent ones, and one entry ended with a chilling sentence: "New subjects acquired. Cognitive imprintation trials to resume under Project Bluevine."